select this path. See, beside the folder name, there is a date beside, that is my folder. So there you click it. So you will select the path. So this is the path for this folder. So copy this one. Type Ctrl C, it will get copied. So now come to this command prompt. Here you have to type CD in small letters, space, paste the path, then click on enter. Okay. So now can you see where is the arrow mark present? Beside the folder name, not down. Now before that the arrow mark was beside System32. Now the arrow mark is beside the folder name. It means we are working in the folder now. Okay. So now let us type this command here also. CD space. See, CD should be in small letters. So then this one. Okay. So then you have to press on enter button, that I am not going to type here. Okay, there should be space here in between CD. Next command is the Veena command. Okay, so that I will type here in the Word file first, then we will go to the pasting part. Okay, so first next command is Veena. We have to type. Is it visible? Last row, is it visible? So you have to type veena.exe and it should be in the small letters only. Veena.exe. Okay, space, hyphen, okay, 2 hyphens. Then you have to type config, space. You have to type the configuration file name now. Okay, so what is the configuration file name? So this one, right? These 4 are the configuration file. So we have to type one name. So I am taking the Aspirin blind docking one. I am copying this name. So let's paste it here. Then .txt space hyphen log. So log underscore. I am just giving the same name. Okay. What is log? Whatever the process happening, that will be saved in this log file. So .txt. Okay. So this command, copy this one and you come to this command prompt, you paste it here. Okay. Then click on enter. So if there is any mistake, this process will be stopped. It will show the error. So right now you can see there is no error. The process has been started and the docking is under progress. If your system is having graphic card, if you are using gaming laptop, it will work like this fastly. If you are using your Purana Pool laptop, so it will take 1 hour to 8 hours of time. Okay. So now the docking has been finished. So next step, we have the one more step. This is the last step of docking. So we have the one more command called Veena split. Veena underscore. So remember it should be small letters. V should be small. SPLIT split dot exe hyphen input. So before this, what is the output file name we have given? You can see this is the output file that is generated. Okay, ma. In the configuration file, this is the output file, right? So you can see here, after running that command successfully, that output file has been generated. So copy this output file name. So this will be the input for the next step. So what you can see here in the command prompt. So during the process of docking, it generated 9 poses, right? All 9 poses are present only inside this single file. So now we have to separate all these 9 files. So for separating all the 9 files, we are using this split command. Split means separation. So Veena underscore split.exe hyphen input space, give the file name. So what is the file name? So 4FGJ aspirin BD, this one, dot, what is the format it is? PDB QT. So this is the second command we have to type. So copy this one and come to the command prompt, paste it here, then click on enter. So just it will show these two lines like this, but there is one more shocking thing. Go to your folder. Can you see? What can you see here? You can see all the 9 files. Okay, if the command is run successfully, all the 9 files will be separated. If the command is not run successfully, so then you don't see the 9 files. You have to check the error part. Okay, so now shall we do one more docking or shall I tell errors? Errors. Okay, so now you can see here this command vnow.exe 4fgj is capital letters actually. So I am typing small letters. Okay. So just copy this one, paste it here. Okay. So you people are lucky. It won't take most of the times, but it is working now actually. Okay, ma'am. So but when the name is wrong, it won't work. There we had capital letters and here we have small letters. But wait, I will show you. So this is the configuration file, right? So you can see here this 4FGJ protein name. What is the protein name in the folder? Capital letters. 4FGJ is capital. So I am making it small here. So just I am saving this one. So now we will run the same command. Simply if you click upward arrow mark, the same command will come. Can you see here the same command has been running here at the bottom. Then click on enter. Last. Usually it won't work, but today it is working. Maybe for you people it may work or it may not work. So we'll do one more thing also. We'll try with one more nonsense thing. Wait. What is the center name? So there will be one super people. Instead of copying, using the file which I have sent in WhatsApp, they will type their own file. So if you make the center spelling wrong, let us see whether it will work. Can you see here? What is the wrong here? So whenever we are giving command, now it didn't work. It has thrown the error. What it is saying? So whenever you get this lengthy message, remember there is something wrong on the left hand side of this configuration file. Okay. So this we have to make. I am saving it back. Now let us run it again. So now you can see it is working. Okay, ma. So you see here I am just making the aspirin file name capital A. So let us try with that one. Okay, ma. I think they might have updated the softwares. That is the reason. Whether there is small word, small letter or capital letter, it is taking. But in your case, if it shows the error could not open the file, then remember the file is missing or there is change in the name. Okay, ma'am. Suppose let us assume, let me delete the aspirin file from this folder. So I am deleting this aspirin Autodoc structure from this folder. Okay. I am deleting the Autodoc aspirin structure from the folder, and now let us try to run this process. So what is the error? could not open the file. So sometimes the file is present, but still it is saying could not open. It means there is some spelling mistake. Okay, ma. So if you see here, I will paste back this aspirin. So aspirin, I have done it back. So here in the aspirin name, so in this configuration file, instead of writing aspirin, I have removed I. Okay. So because of too much of excitement, so I have missed typing I letter here. So let us run this again. So can you see here, it is showing could not open. It means whenever there is a spelling mistake or whenever there a file is missing, it will show could not open. Okay. So this is all about how you have to run the docking process. Now you have understood, right, what is site specific docking and what is blind docking. So you have to run the dockings at your home and you have to come back. So now you save whatever molecules you have created. Either you can create all those files again at your home or log in your email ID or WhatsApp and send those files to you. Okay. So finish the docking process. When is our next class? Friday we are going to do the analysis. Friday is holiday. So Saturday